In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a social link on Reddit. If you want to make your Reddit profile a little more connected and help people find you on other platforms, adding a social link is a simple way to do it. Reddit lets you display selected social links on your profile, which can be useful if you're building a personal brand, sharing creative work, or just making it easier for people to connect with you elsewhere online. To get started, go to Reddit and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Reddit homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find your profile menu. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From there, click View Profile. This will take you directly to your public Reddit profile page where you can manage the information that other users see. Once you're on your profile, move your attention to the panel on the right-hand side. In that area, you should see a section for social links. Under that section, click Add Social Link. This is where Reddit allows you to connect outside profiles to your Reddit account. Reddit allows you to add up to 5 links to display on your profile. So if you want to include more than one platform later, you have room to do that. For now, we're focusing on adding an Instagram link. Click Instagram from the available options. After selecting it, you'll be prompted to enter your Instagram username. Make sure you type the correct username carefully, since this is what Reddit will use to create the link shown on your profile. It's a good idea to double check for spelling before saving, especially if your username includes periods, underscores, or numbers. After entering your Instagram username, click Save. Once you do that, the social link should appear on your Reddit profile, making it visible to anyone who visits your page. And that's it. You've successfully added a social link on Reddit. If you ever want to update or remove it later, you can return to your profile settings and make changes from the same social links section. Keeping your profile updated can make it easier for others to discover your content and connect with you on the platforms you use most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.